Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a VS Code extension for NestJS framework. So you can generate NestJS files directly from your command palette in VS Code. You don't need to remember those commands. So this is the extension here, NestJS file generator. And you first of all click the install button, just activate this extension. And after activating this extension, it will actually add this option right in the context menu. So once it is enabled, you simply create a new folder here in which you need to create those files. So simply right click and you will see this option appearing, which is Nest file generator. If you see, if you drag down, you will see this option appearing, NestJS. Or you can even go to command palette if this option is not appearing. Simply search Nest and you will see this appearing option. You can generate a controller, class, everything. Simply select and just give it a folder name. So I will say files and just name your controller, and then it will create this. All the boilerplate code will be generated for you. This file is successfully created here inside your files directory, user controller.typescript, and this is your Nest controller. Similarly, if you now right click, it will now add this option directly inside your context menu. So here from this you can actually generate all sort of files here: class, controller, decorator, exception, filter. You can generate a service as well. So just create another folder here, services, name your service, and now it will create this user service.ts file, and all the boilerplate code will be generated. So you don't need to manually create these files. Instead, you can simply install this extension and just it will add this option right here. A series of files you can generate here. Let's suppose you want to create a class. Enter the type. So it will create a user class file as well. So definitely install this extension. It's all in one NestJS CLI integrated inside VS Code. So definitely it generates all sort of components classes of NestJS directly inside VS Code.